about natural orange cleaner. It's so easy to make, so inexpensive. I'm going to make it for you right now. It's that easy. Now, this is what it's going to look like when you're done. I did this 4 weeks ago, and it's been brewing, as I call it, and it's ready for use. But let me show you how to do it. You're going to need the peel from oranges. Now, when you're eating the oranges, peel them, throw them in a plastic bag in the refrigerator, and wait until you have enough to fill a fruit jar. If you're using other oranges, you can use your vegetable peeler like I did here and just peel the skin right off. It's easy that way. Now, let me show you what you do. All you're going to do is grab some of your peels and you're going to put them in the jar. Now, you'll fill the jar up pretty far with them, and they don't have to be perfect peels, but they should not have any fruit on them is the only thing. All right, once you get your jar filled, you're going to take water and pour over the top. Then you're just going to put the lid on this container, let it sit out on your counter for 4 weeks, and it's going to brew just like this one did. At the end of 4 weeks, you will strain out the fruit, and what I do is I use this little strainer right here. Strain out that fruit and use the liquid left over for cleaning solution. You'll fill a bottle halfway full of the solution, halfway full of water, and that is your mild cleaning solution. Use it on any surface, even granite and travertine. It does a great job. This is going to be your stronger solution. Again, this one has been sitting here for 4 weeks, and you can see how it's turned colors in the jar. What I've done with this one to make a strong cleaner is I filled it up with the peels, just like I did over here, but I poured vinegar over it. Now, you can pour cleaning vinegar over it if you want. I got this at the dollar store for $1, or you can use regular white vinegar. Let it sit out again for 1 month, 4 weeks. When you're done, strain out the fruit and use the cleaner. Now, when you have leftover solution, store it in your refrigerator. That's all you need to know. It is that easy, and it is an amazing, amazing cleaner. Now, this is going to be a powdered cleanser. What we're going to do is take a container, and you can see I used a sugar container. We're going to use 1 cup of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of 20-multine borax, and 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, and 1/4 cup of orange zest. We're going to mix that together in this container and use it as a scrubbing cleanser, and it will not scratch anything. Now, to make lemon oil, another quick tip, all we're going to do is put some peel of lemons in any size jar, fill it with coconut oil, let it sit for a couple of weeks outside, and then just simply dump out the fruit into a strainer and use the oil as a natural lemon oil. It'll be that pure. Now, I know I went fast. If you need a copy, go to queenofclean.com and print one out. And look for me at Real Queen of Clean. Hey guys, thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.